In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your computer run faster and smoother with doing some computer maintenance. This is on Windows 7. First thing I'm going to show you how to update the Windows updates. And first you go to your Start menu. In the search, you type in Windows Updates. Then you go check for Windows Updates. And then you come over here and you install the updates on the right hand side, install now, or you click here and you have check for updates, and then it will show you where to install it. Once you install it, make sure it's up to date. The second thing I'm going to show you, go back to Start, you type in temporary internet files. You go up to temporary internet file setting, you get this internet properties screen, and then you click on where it says browsing history, you click on delete, and then it will bring you up this other browsing history screen, and it will show you can remove temporary files, cookies, history. There's a few other ones you could do on the bottom if you want to. So I'll keep these three on here, and I'll hit delete, and it's going to go through the process of deleting, and then you hit OK, and that's finished. Next, I'm going to show you how to remove unnecessary files, programs from your computer. If you remove programs, the computer will run faster. Programs you don't use or only use once in a while. You go back to Start, you click on Control Panel, then you go to Uninstall Program. Once you do that, you see all the programs that are on your computer listed in this list. You see the ones that you don't want or you don't use, and you highlight them. Let's go to this one for an example. Then you go to Uninstall, you click Uninstall, and then that program's gone. If you want to come back and do others, you go back up here, you hit another program, highlight it, and click on Install. That's how you remove programs that you don't need. The next thing, we're going to check your antivirus software. You should have an antivirus software. I use the Advanced Free Antivirus. If you don't have one, make sure you add one on. This is a good free one. You can download it do a search for free antivirus, Avast free version, download it, and click on the updates, and it will update the antivirus free. You can run the whole antivirus for free forever, and it's a very good antivirus. After that's updated, you wait for it to go to 100, and then you close out of it. Next thing I'm going to show you how to do disk defrag and cleanup. This will clean up your hard drive so your system runs better. You go to Start, you click on My Computer, you right click the C drive, you go down to Properties, click Properties, then you'll see Disk Cleanup. You click Disk Cleanup, and it's going to show you all the things that are on your computer that can be cleaned up. Once it finishes calculating, it's going to give you a screen for that. After it does that, you can choose what you want to clean up on the computer. You choose what you want to clean up. It'll give you a whole box on that. And then after that's done, you close out of it. Then what you do is you go up to Tools on the top. You hit Tools, you hit Defrag Now. This will defrag your hard drive. Make sure it's on C drive, and then click on the bottom, Disk Defrag. Let that go. Once that's finished, you can close out of that. It'll take a while to run, so just be patient and let it run. Next thing I'm going to show you with Device Manager. Close out of this, you go to Start, you type in Device, and it brings you to Device Manager here. You click on that, you open this window up, and if you have any exclamation marks on here, that means you don't have the drivers installed. If there's no marks over here, yellow marks over here, then that device is working fine. You go to computer and you can see that's working fine. Disk drive, it shows your hard drive. Disk graphics adapter, it shows that's running fine. So anything that doesn't have any kind of yellow on it is working properly. This concludes the end of the video. Please subscribe and like the video and use these tips on your own computer, and that way it'll be running a lot better and smoother. This is Mike Locascio for MSL Computer Service. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.